Hi, I'm Steve, the owner of Vero Linens. Now, 100% cotton sheets can wrinkle. And sure, you can buy cotton poly blends that wrinkle a little bit less, but they don't feel as nice to the skin as 100% cotton sheets do. Now, in this video, we're going to explain how to get rid of wrinkles without using an iron and we'll be back in about 15 seconds with the details. Okay, I think it's safe to say that most people, including myself, don't really enjoy ironing as well as ironing sheets. They're, big pieces to iron. If you're lucky enough that you can offload this task to a housekeeper, someone else, perfect. If not, your options are somewhat limited. You can iron them yourself. You can sleep on wrinkled sheets. That's not going to hurt anything, except, the smooth sheets feel a little bit nicer to your skin than those that are wrinkled. You can send them out if you like. Have them laundered and pressed. That's a nice option for many. Or you can follow this quick little tip that's going to make your sheets look as if they've been ironed in literally seconds. Now, backing up just a little bit. Water and tension are a wrinkle release. This is why you see the steam or the spray settings in your iron. The water relaxes the cotton and the pressure or tension straightens those fibers out. Okay, the first thing you're going to do when making your bed is you're going to put the fitted sheet on. And your fitted sheet is under a little bit of tension because, you got elastic, it's elasticized around the bottom and it's tucked underneath your mattress. And so it's under a little bit of tension. And what you're going to do is get yourself, a bottle of spray water. Now we use LeBlanc linen wash. We sell this water. It's fragranced. It adds a really nice fragrance to the bed. However, just regular tap water in a spray bottle will do the same thing. So you're going to put your fitted sheet on, and then you're going to go around the entire bed and give it a light little spritz. All those wrinkles are going to disappear. Now, moving on to the flat sheet. You're going to put your flat sheet on your bed. You're going to tuck it at the foot, and let's create a little bit of wrinkle here. Okay, so we got some wrinkle. You can see. And then what we're going to do, again, is grab our spray bottle of water, and we're going to give it a light little mist. Now, don't worry if you get too much water on it. It's going to dry literally in seconds or minutes. But you will see the wrinkles simply fall right out of that flat sheet. Now, you're going to do this in one corner, about halfway down the bed, then go to the other side of the bed and repeat that process. Okay, now the pillowcases. So we've got a pillowcase here. What we're going to do is put a little wrinkle into that pillowcase. And then you're going to take that pillowcase, you're going to grab it with one hand by the cuff, give it a light little spritz. You see the tension kind of took some of the wrinkle out already, but the water is going to enhance that, that wrinkle release. And you're going to grab it like this, and then you're just going to give it a gentle shake like that, and that's going to apply the tension. That's going to reduce or eliminate the wrinkle. Let's hit it one more time, right there. And it spritz it all over, and then turn it over and repeat that process on the other side. Now, this is a great tip to apply midweek. As you sleep in your bed, over the course of a week, your bed can become a little frumpy and wrinkled. So just repeat this process literally, a minute or two midweek, and your bed's going to look perfect. Now, you can also use this tip on other elements of your bed, such as your duvet cover or shams or whatever. And again, take those wrinkles right out. Hey, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Thanks for your interest in Vero Linens.